What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. I'm a little pumped right now because I had some coffee. And if you haven't noticed, my puff is popping. Hello, it is popping. Boy. Stop. I'm just a little excited right now. Yes, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. And again, Happy New Year. You guys, I'm in like such a better mood than I was like last month's video. And I'm just ready to like rock and roll. Like, I'm here to ask you guys, like, what exactly is it that you want me, like, what exact is it that you want to see on my channel? And like, how are you guys doing? Like, I just want, first of all, before I even jump into the video, I just want to say thank you so much for the feedback from my video about why I stopped making videos, you know, involving my marriage and everything. You guys are so sweet. I had like maybe 2 or 3 rude comments that I deleted, but overall, of course, you're going to get the typical negative people who come along and try to put their 2 cents into things, but that's why you have the delete and the block button. People think that ministry, I don't play that. There's certain things I can talk to a person about, but then when you're just being blatantly just outright disrespectful, there's really nothing to talk about but the block. If you're not a brother or sister in Christ, I'm not going to even try. But thank you for everyone else who kept it godly. And even some people who were saying things biblically. It wasn't like the nicest thing, but it was biblical. And it was something that I needed to hear. I'm not sitting here asking people to sugarcoat nothing for me. Please don't. But don't be rude, okay? I don't play that, okay? Rude, okay? So, anyway, thank you again so much, you guys. Me and my husband were doing much better. Even after that video, we went over another large hurdle. Oh, my goodness. But God is so good. Like, He's so good. And I believe He's finally answering my prayers in that area to you guys. So, me and hubby will be having a video coming out for you guys soon. I just wanted to get this video out first because this is my Happy New Year video pretty much. And yeah, so again, just thank you. I'm just really thankful that you guys are so supportive. Like, you're not just here for my hair. You know, you guys love my hair and I love it too, and I love you guys. But you know, if I can come to you all with other things, you can give me advice and things like that. And like, so many people reach out to me through my social medias, through the people who have my phone number, my email. Like, I mean, the support and the love is just overwhelming, and I'm just so thankful. And I will get a chance to respond back to all you guys' comments probably before I upload this video. But yeah, so hopefully you guys' New Year's is going great. Those New Year resolutions, you're not giving up already. You got goals, set them, get to it. You know, don't let this year be like last year, please. Don't let this year be like last year, okay? So, I also want to ask you guys, like, what is it exactly you want to see on my channel? Like, do you want to see more natural hair videos, like tutorials, like me doing my hair? Do you want to see product reviews? Do you want to see, like, outfits of the day, like me trying on different outfits? What else? Me doing like Q&As, like if you guys want me to do question and answers, get ready with me, talk through, get ready with me, you know, more videos with me and my husband. You know, just let me know. Product reviews, products that I love, products that I hated, like what lipsticks. I'm thinking about doing like different lipstick swatches and stuff. Like, let me know exactly what it is that you want to see from me, and I will deliver it. Because I'll be like, what else can I do next? But yeah, I'm also looking to do a perm rod set on my hair too, so that should be coming. And let me know if you all want to see workout videos. I had a few people, because I do a lot of Instagram workout videos, not actually show me work. I'm working on that part, but I'm thinking about recording some things in the gym and using that for YouTube. So let me know if you are interested in also seeing workout videos, because I would love to do them. I love to work out. So yeah, that was the first part. This is just pretty much going to be my New Year with videos. My next video that I'm going to do right after this one is going to be a product review And I'm also going to be sharing with you all my new hair regimen. I'm like stoked, you guys. I'm like freaking stoked. So, yeah. That's pretty much it because I don't want to make this video too long because like I said, I'm going to have another video coming out right after this one. And it's going to be the same exact outfit, same exact makeup, same exact hair. Like, you know, I get myself cute and whatever, you know, I gotta push out those videos. So, yeah, this is just me saying Happy New Year, hello. And also leave in the comment section below what do you like to see, and I will push those out for you guys. Yeah. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.